All signs at Zilker Park point to Austin City Limits Music Festival taking over for the first 2 weekends of October as planned, although the event seems less certain than many expected it to be by now.
We are continuing to watch the situations with our case count, as well as the situation with our hospitals. And we are going to provide as much guidance as we can to the organizers of that festival about whether or not it's safe to proceed.
Currently, health department officials say COVID-19 cases appear to be leveling off and hospital admissions dropping, but area hospitals are still overwhelmed.
We have people who need ICU care who are not in ICUs. And they're not being cared for by ICU nurses because we are stretching our nursing staff.
Nearby hospitals are also feeling the heat, as patients who would normally transfer into Austin hospitals for specialized care are being told to stay put.
At one point during the early part of the week, we had over 20 folks waiting to be transferred into Austin Travis County for care. 5 of those were COVID patients, and the rest were people that needed help with things like strokes and heart attacks.
In order to prevent another spike in cases, the Austin Center for Events posted safety requirements for event organizers. One of them says all attendees must show proof of a negative COVID-19 test within 72 hours of the event. However, Friday morning, Austin public health officials suggested there's a second option.
The organizers are putting in place mitigation strategies that were used at Lollapalooza in Chicago. People are expected to be either vaccinated or have a negative test. And as a result of that, that provides a level of safety and decreased risk that we are going to be looking at as we make our decision.
A statement from Austin Regional Clinic says they're already preparing for ACL. It reads in part, quote, "We expect to see an increase in COVID testing needs throughout the city, and certainly at ARC clinics the few days before the ACL Music Festival. Our staff is prepared to meet the uptick in demand and will make it easy to book online." But ultimately, city health officials say it's up to the people in Austin whether the show will go on.
I think it's also a question for the community. How bad do we want ACL? Part of that decision is in the hands of the actions that we choose to take up to the event.